Goeiedag. Good day. Dit is Juffrou Denise en vandag gaan ons praat oor selfstandige naamwoorde en byvoeglike naamwoorde. Today we're going to talk about nouns and adjectives. What is a noun? A noun is a person, place or a thing, like a dog, a house or a tree. 'n selfstandige naamwoord is 'n plek of 'n ding, soos 'n hond, 'n huis, 'n boom. When I usually explain nouns, I explain it in a manner when we think of our senses. Can I touch it? Can I see it? Can I smell it? In that way. Then what is an adjective? An adjective describes a noun, like beautiful, tall, short, hard, soft. Nou, 'n byvoeglike naamwoord beskryf 'n selfstandige naamwoord, soos mooi, lank, kort, hard, sag. Usually when I explain adjectives, I paint this picture about an old lady crossing the road, and then I ask usually, how would you describe the old lady? Like she's walking slowly, she has gray hair, she has a beautiful dress. All of that is adjectives. Now, let's practice our words. The first time you're going to repeat after me, and the second time you will try to write the words down. Are you ready? Okay. Meisie, seun, man, vrou, tafel, stoel, mooi, lelik, lank, pragtig, slim, kort. Now you can grab a pen and paper and try to write them down. Are you ready? Okay. Meisie, seun, man, vrou, tafel, stoel, mooi, lelik, lank, pragtig, slim, kort. Bye bye, donkey. Thank you very much and have a lovely day further. Tot ziens.